This is Consonant Blend, SPR. Each consonant says its own sound, but we blend them together in words. So let's practice. S says S. Do it again. S. One more time. S. P says P. Do it again. P. One more time. P. R says R. Do it again. R. One more time. R. Good. Let's practice them together. Let's tap and stretch. Ready? Spr. Good. Let's do that again. Spr. Good. Let's see if we can practice a word with them. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Sprig. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Sprig. Say it fast. Sprig. Good. Say it fast again. Sprig. Yes, a sprig, or a little piece of a plant, right? And that is our consonant blend, SPR. Good job.